Hi, Crafty friends. Lacey the Cheeky Bum back with another summer vacation embellishment box swap, and this one is from Carrie. And she wrote her note on the back of this really pretty die. Isn't that pretty? I love a good flower die. This must be like a mini album, but it's a great way to write a note, and it's really pretty and it's flat, so I could just like put it in a journal or something like that. It just says, "Hi Lacey, thank you for hosting this summertime swap. I love using bright colors for summer. This flower die is one of my favorite dyes. It reminds me of the tropics and relaxation. I hope you have a great summer." Carrie, she is Crafty Carrie 64 on IG, so I will make sure that I link her down below. And this little bag has my name on it, so we're gonna open this up. Oh, we have some Jelly Ranchers. I haven't had a Jelly Rancher in so long, but I really want one now. And there's pineapple and mango. These are not the normal. No, maybe they are. But I don't know. I can't tell you the last time I had a Jelly Rancher, so that's exciting. I have a pineapple lip gloss. Yum. What flavor? Let's see what flavor it is. Guava pineapple. Ooh. And then a little trinket box. Some fun things. We have this little drink. This is cool looking. It's got like a little flower in there. It's got like I would say that's a grapefruit. A rainbow, a little cell phone. Oh, that's so cute. Look at, oh, I love this little flower. There's the bows. Ooh, this one's pretty. I love the mint color. Butterflies, all kinds of just, oh, look at the little gummy bear. I love the little gummy bears. I don't know why. Oh, of course, that's not gonna, we'll put that off to the side. Thank you so much. And let's get into her embellishment box swap. She's made these cute little flip-flop tags. This wasn't tied to anything, so I'm gonna tie it onto something that says swap partner and a little note from her, and it's just a little flip-flop shaker. This is her gorgeous little box. I love that she's used some crinkle ribbon seam binding. I forgot the name for it for a second, and I literally just made some yesterday. How I forgot the name, I don't know. She's also got a little drink on here with a little rainbow. But this looks so fun. Let's open her up. My little, I don't know where my little tray is, but that's okay. We have some ribbon in here and some bright colored ones too. Look at this neon and this turquoise. You can always use pink. Oh, that's really pretty. Love that. And then this one we have strawberry. Ooh, look at this strawberry bead. I don't know if I've seen one like this before. It's like a heart. I guess it could be watermelon, maybe not strawberry. I don't know. Either way. We got a little ducky with sunglasses and a couple little nail strawberry charms. And then over here we have some flowers. These are really pretty. Oh, I love the rolled center. That took some work. And she's got some other little flowers in here. And this one she's got some ephemera. Oh, there's another little ducky. We'll put the little ducky. I think she's got it color coded. She's got some ephemera pieces in here. She's got some fun flip-flops, hibiscus, a starfish, a little tag. And then over here we have some popsicles. These are cool looking popsicles. They're all glittered. And we have some duckies and some flowers. I love these little flower beads. They're just so tropically. And then she's got some charms. Let's see what these charms say. She's got one that says Happy Holidays with the stars. Vacation. Oh, I love the map with the little geodots, geotags. And then we have little boarding pass tickets. That's really cute. And then over here we have, ooh, look at this bead. What flower is this? Or is this just like a palm frond kind of bead? Oh, look at the little teal ducky. So cute. We have flower bead. I love these type of beads. We have butterflies. We have stars. Oops, stars over here. It's another flower. Cute. And then over here, look at the little parasols. I love seeing these. I don't know why. They just are so whimsical. So cute. Got the little cell phone. It's so cute. Can't go on vacation without your cell phone. And then a little rainbow. And then she's got another little ducky and then more little travel charms in here. Let's look at these. Look at the little taxi cab. Super cute. Then we have vacation this way. And it's got mountains. And then this one is a plane that says vacation. I like the colors of it too. It matches like a lot of the travel paper pads. And then we have this little boarding pass. And then the little luggage. And over here she's got a little camera. We have a little gumball machine. And then a little bow. This is a cute little, it's a little plastic bow, but I like the looks of it. It's really cute. It has some whimsy. And over here, look at these sunglasses. How stinking cute. And then we have this one that says good vibes. And then we have the little rainbow with clouds on it. These are cute beads. And then a little gummy bear. And then a little ducky. And then in conjunction with her little embellishment box, she's got this popsicle drink container, and it's full of candy. So we have, I know I can see Jelly Ranchers in there. Let's see what else you got in here. Oh, she's got another little, she's got this little flamingo. It's got some more beads in there. How cute. And then a crystal light. Oh, strawberry, orange, banana. Oh, that would be so good. Oh, where did you find these? I don't know if I've seen that flavor. I have like so many dream packets. So what a fun swap. Thank you so much, Carrie, for joining one of my swaps. This was so much fun. Make sure you give her some crafty love over on Instagram. Again, I will link her down below. And we'll see you guys in the next embellishment box swap reveal. Bye, guys.